In this video, I am going to show you on how you can use markdowns in Zendesk comments. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. From here, create a new ticket and then go to the comments right here below. So, what are markdowns? This is basically added keys that you can add to your text to make it special or to enhance it. For example, common markdowns including bold, italic, and even bold plus italic. So how can you do that? For example, this is our normal test. Now, to make it bold, simply type in asterisk first, twice, then enclose your text by another asterisk. And as you can see, the text is now enhanced. How about for italic? So again, let's type in first as our sample. Now, how do we do italic? One asterisk, enclose it, and now we have an italic. Of course, other than this, there are many different markdowns that you can simply search on the internet for you to use in your Zendesk comments. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next